Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make orange chicken, and this is how you make it. First you get 1.5 tablespoons. So we pour it in here, and make sure you use kosher salt. And then a half. And then to the next, 1 tablespoon of black pepper. So you put it in here. And then 2 eggs. So like that. And one more. There we go. And you get half of cornstarch. Yeah, cornstarch. Put it in here. And then 1/4 cup of flour. Put it here. And 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And then you stir it.
Whisk it.
Or whisk it.
You whisk it until it has a consistency of like mud.
And when you finish whisking it, it's supposed to look like this. And make sure you get 2 pounds of boneless thighs, but make sure to cut the 2 pounds of boneless thighs into little square pieces. But to save time, we already did it. Now we pour this in here. Oh yeah, make sure you use all of it. Just, if it's like this, use your spoon to get out. You're supposed to work like that, and then you stir it with the chicken and the sauce. Oh yeah, guys, make sure you don't touch the chicken, alright? So I grab it in this side because alright, so you're gonna put vegetable oil, fill up with vegetable oil in 350 degrees. And put the chicken inside the pot,
Filled with oil.
pot filled with oil. Make sure it's spreaded around. See how it's not all together? Make sure it's spreaded around the pot. You have to let this fry for 7 minutes, or when it starts floating.
Alexa, 7-minute timer.
Alright, so once you finish frying all those and put it into a different pot. Make sure it's set into low heat, alright? Low heat. When you're putting the orange chicken sauce, make sure it goes to all the way right here in this line. Or this line right here. You pour it until this line. So make sure you pour it right here. So you do it. Check. 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 Check.
A little bit more.
And then see how it's almost aligned? You gotta make sure it's right here. And then stir it. Oh yeah, while you're making this, you guys can also watch a different tutorial to make rice. And there you have it, orange chicken. Bon appetit. This is how you make the orange chicken.